Turbo, the first AI generated meme coin using Chat GPT, guys. We all love it and it's been a fan favorite, up 600% in just a couple weeks and over 1,000% in a couple months. But we are on a decline right now, and when will this stop? We're going to go over that in this video. Just a couple days ago, we had some very bullish news. We had the Binance futures listing and then the first tier 1 exchange in the United States. Crypto.com listed Turbo on spot. We have lots of talk about Coinbase, Binance, Qcoin, and potentially Robinhood. When could these come? We're going to go over all the price action and developments coming for this coming week for Turbo in this video. But first, I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. But if you are not subscribed, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification, and let's get into the video. So Turbo posted just a few hours, guys. Toad hopes everyone is having a relaxing weekend. Stay updates for this week. Let's keep momentum going and make history. We're launching soon. So guys, you got to love this artwork, right? I definitely do. But some people might be feeling like this if they tried to sell, trying to swing trade this. Personally, none of this is ever financial advice, but I do not want to be on the sideline when these big tier 1 exchange listings come. But before we get into the price and where I think Turbo could go, I just want to review where we are at now and how Crypto.com really affected us, because we definitely seen a surge when Crypto.com was announced. It was announced right here and it shot up back to 2085. But you can see we've been dwindling down. So why is that? That was obviously hype for a tier 1 exchange listing. But if we look, there has not been a lot of volume coming from Crypto.com, unfortunately. This is a very low tier 1 exchange in America. It's definitely not Coinbase, which is a fan favorite. And as you can see here, it ranks 7th in overall volume for Turbo, being just 0.04%. So honestly, if Crypto.com didn't even exist, the price of Turbo would not change much. Now, granted, we might have not had that uptick, right? We probably wouldn't have. We probably would have continued a downtrend, but it has not made the huge change that was expected. Maybe a Coinbase, Binance, Qcoin, Robinhood listing will. But when we get into the actual data and on-chain analysis a little deeper, guys, I always say you can't be doing TA, Fibonacci retracements on meme tokens. Okay, degens run the market, but the truth is it does become more acceptable whenever these get larger market caps. Like if you start talking about Pepe, something with a $6 billion market cap, Dogecoin, you've got a lot of big ballers in there then. But even this, I'm not a TA guy. I'm just drawing trend lines and where I think support is. And also I had a last video that I showed you all what had happened the 2 previous times Turbo pumped 300 to 500%. And we had seen in that data that it had a retracement of 70%. Now, I'm not saying it'll happen. I was just giving the Freeman and Finance family the data to take. And so if we look at this, we are currently stuck in here. And this is the 15-minute time frame. And so what's going to happen? I think we are really dependent on macro factors. This would be a large announcement that Coinbase or Binance is listing, and that would then result in a pump, but then volume from those exchanges would depend if we kept going or not. But everyone's waiting to see what Bitcoin does, guys. The bulls and bears are fighting. Is it going to lose the 67 mark or not? Is it going to break out or is it going to drop back down to 62 and potentially 52,000? I don't know. But those are the macroeconomical things that happen. But just let's say this did go bearish, most bearish scenario, 75% retracement from the high. That would put us in this pocket where this support is. So in my personal opinion, this is the most bearish scenario for Turbo. But even with that being said, guys, it pumped 500% this time. So let's just say it only pumped 300 the next time, which I think is not very likely. That would still put this over a penny the next pump. So guys, I'm bullish on Turbo long term. I honestly am. I think it is the best meme project to ever exist. It is fully made by AI using ChatGPT. Guys, you know, I always say this: when people are concerned about a project's price going down, ask yourself a few questions. Did the fundamentals change on the project? Is this still the first AI generated meme coin? Okay. So nothing's changed, right? Is the team still good? Did they dump a lot on you? Did it lose liquidity? Did anything happen? No. Is the community still great, guys? We know that with meme tokens, there's really no utility. It's all community. Is the community still great? Yes, it is. People are making artwork. People love this project. And right now, with the overall market waiting to see what Bitcoin does, AI stagnant, everything's stagnant. Wait till AI takes off. I think that Turbo will take off with the AI hype as well. But the project fundamentals didn't change. This is just purely a discount in my eyes. But guys, don't listen to me. I'm just a guy on YouTube that likes to talk, and I'm so grateful that you all like to listen. But guys, let me know, what have y'all done during this time? Did y'all sell, try to get in at a lower price? Did y'all get fudded out? Where do y'all think this will go? And guys, I'll leave the video right here about the last one that shows the data from the previous two times Turbo pumped 300%. And you can just look at what it did that time. Maybe that'll happen now. Maybe it won't. But guys, watch one of these two videos up above. And if you haven't joined the Freeman and Finance family, subscribe. Thank you.